Did you just run a best today?
I did.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's see. Recently, he told me your name, so I know who you are. I looked up something. I think people were reposting pictures of your car. I looked you up and I saw something about stock bottom end. Watched the video and you ran 7s.
Yep.
Right?
Today it went 760 something shut off at the 8th.
Wow. Stock bottom
went
end.
469 to the 8th today.
What you mind if I zoom it going like this way and look at the car through your trailer here?
No, no problem. It's halfway taken apart, but
holy crap.
yeah, it's got a Garrett Gen II 88 on it, methanol car, and it is a 2011 Suburban engine, LC9, so it's an aluminum 5.3. Factory cylinder heads that we did a little porting on, and Baker Engineering did the cam and valve train spec stuff for me. It's still a hydraulic roller motor. It goes 8,500 RPM shift point. At 417 Motorsports did the fuel injector conversion, so it's 16 injector intake. And my shop built the trans. It's got a PTC converter in it. Holley EFI, RC components wheels. Yeah.
Wow.
Been sort of a dream car. I've always wanted a kind of an X275 car and could never afford it, so I kind of pieced one. Pieced one together. So
wow.
Yeah, saved money for a few years and found the right chassis from a friend of mine who was getting out of a car, and yeah, finished it off with what I wanted in it.
That is epic.
And I assembled the car, kind of set things up and tuned it, and yeah, we've been just out playing with it. So
holy moly!
New car for me this year, so lots of trial by fire, but it's starting to work. I made 5 passes today, but the last one was 469, 152 to the 8th, and I don't remember what it went, 765 or something, 140, just coasting out the back.
Wow, I'm so psyched because I just recently learned about your car, came here today on a whim, and then turns out that this is your car and you ran a best. That's like, to me, that's like hitting gold or hitting the lottery, you know, like with videos. It's awesome.
Yeah, I drove 5 hours to come here, and it was well worth it. So
wow,
that's awesome.
Damn.
And it's still running, so it drove back in the trailer. So hey,
beautiful.
What more can you say?
You calling it a year? Or are you?
I don't know yet. I halfway thought about going to KillCare tomorrow because they have another prep test day tomorrow. So
they do.
I'm from Michigan, so I'm already here. I'm 5 hours away. It's 2.5 hours to KillCare. So I debated going there, running tomorrow, and then going home. But really? I don't know yet. So this is the new car. This is my second car. My other car is all steel. It's like a full-blown street car on E85, pump E85.
Do you have 2 white ones? Or?
I do. Yep. So the other car has been running no time streetcar class stuff in Michigan, and it's kind of a no prep car. And this car has been kind of actually up to chassis cert safe type car. It's 25.2 car.
All right.
And eventually, once we get done kind of chasing numbers with the junkyard motor, I have a built motor to put in it. So then we'll go really fast. But yeah, 29 pounds of boost and 152 to the 8th. Car's got a bunch of ballast in it right now as a band-aid to make it work.
Wow.
And still a bunch left in the tune-up. No heat on the plugs at all.
On a stock motor.
On a stock motor.
7.6 in the quarter mile.
Yep, coasting.
Damn.
It should go 30s at least on that pass.
Holy crap.
But yeah, crazy.
Wow. What's the deal with that thing? Was that on the car a little while ago?
Yeah. Yep.
You just yanked the door right off?
Yep. It makes loading the car a lot easier.
That's a good idea.
Then you don't. These are carbon doors, and the doors sit lower than the fenders, so so it's ouchy. Otherwise, trying to climb out of that cage.
That's funny.
So that's pretty sweet. Hang the door in the trailer, and it doesn't go anywhere.
Slim Shady, is that the name?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
My buddies named my other car M&M, so we figured this is like the alter ego Slim Shady.
Oh, that's sick.
So.
All right. Do you have a page for it or something?
I do. Yeah,
Facebook?
Facebook, this is the Real Slim Shady Notch.
The Real Slim Shady Notch.
Yep.
Got it.
Oh, that's another car. It gets the push of shame.